What's up, guys? This is another video. We're gonna talk about ASO versus Facebook ads. I want to share a little story with you guys. Imagine two shops. The one shop is a shop that attracts people that go in, they find what they need, they engage with the shop, and then they go out. They have bought something. The majority of people are buying something, and then 2 days later, the majority comes back. Then on the other side, we have a different shop. The other shop is similar in its size and similar in its value proposition, but people are streaming into it. People are really streaming into it. Let's say on the one side, we have 500. On this shop, it's like 50,000, 5,000 people are streaming into the shop. And then they are in that shop and it really seems like something is going on in there. But then when you see a couple of minutes later, a couple of hours later, people are leaving and nobody has bought anything. Or it's a small percentage of people that bought anything. And also a small percentage of people engaged at all with the shop. A lot of people got aware that, well, this shop is actually, there's something happening. But then you see 2-3 months later, the one shop is empty and the other shop still has people coming in, a continuous stream of people coming in, finding what they like and getting out and coming back. So loyal customers, basically. What is the point that I want to make in that little short story? The point that I want to make is I want to compare the one shop that is doing App Store optimization and the other shop that is doing Facebook ads. Let's say you invest 5,000 euros into Facebook ads. All right, you have 5,000 users streaming to your app once. You collect data once. You learn about what is working for your app or what is not working for your app once. What happens 2 months after? You have to invest again. Let's say you do it with ASO. You actually keep those users because the users on the one side are finding your app when they are in the app stores. And on the other side, all the Facebook ads that you're doing are getting more powerful. It's called the Organic Uplift. It's a principle that a percentage of people, when you pay for ads, is also coming from the search feature. And this can be up to 100%, sometimes even 200. Why would I do such a comparison? There's a big flaw with people thinking about ASO versus Facebook ads. The problem with that is ideally you do both, and ideally you find the mix that is working for you. You understand the whole funnel of your app marketing, and you understand that the Apple App Store, your app product page, is basically where all the people are landing. And if you don't communicate well, then people don't convert at all. And this is actually what is happening when you invest into performance marketing before you have an organic baseline set up. So just keep that little metaphor in mind, this little story. Don't necessarily think about it like a one-time event that you're doing. Think about it from a holistic perspective of your funnel, and also think about it long-term. What makes the most sense for your business at the moment? All right, guys, that's just a little story that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm looking forward to speak to you again. Bye-bye.